guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Madhuri. If you're new to my channel, then consider subscribing. That would mean a lot to me. In this video, I thought of comparing two of the best drugstore foundations, that is the Maybelline Superstay foundation versus the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte foundation. I'm going to be, comparing both of these foundations and doing sort of a weight test for like 8 to 10 hours. And without any further ado, let's get started. So both of these foundations are best drugstore foundations and both of them retail for 750 rupees, and also you do get both of the foundations for 30 ml of the product. But whenever there is sale going on, you can always grab it for around a lesser price. But before I move on to the foundation, I'm going to be applying a primer on. I'm going to be using the Smashbox Huda Finish Primer Water, and just this primer clearly blurs out the pores and also it gives that smooth finish for your foundation and also for your base makeup. So now that I have my primer on, I'm going to be using the Superstay Matte Foundation and applying it on the right side of my face. I'll take it on the back of my hand. Not really sure if I have to use a foundation brush or a beauty blender. I'm gonna dot the foundation and I'm gonna blend this all out with a beauty blender, with a damp beauty blender. The Superstay Matte Foundation is quite very matte foundation and not a demi matte foundation like the L'Oreal Paris one. It is very matte and thick in consistency. I'm gonna be using some of the foundation over there to cover my pimple mark. This is the Maybelline Superstay side with a one layer of foundation. Since I have applied the Maybelline Superstay foundation on the left side of my face, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte foundation on the right side of my face. So if you can find any difference, it's pretty much similar. Both of the foundations look pretty much similar after applying the foundation. This side looks it has more coverage than the L'Oreal Paris one, because it definitely has a bit more coverage than the L'Oreal one, because Maybelline Superstay Matte foundation is quite thick and it is a full coverage foundation, whereas the L'Oreal Paris is, the consistency is demi matte and not super matte, and the coverage is medium to full coverage. So the difference I can tell off the camera is this side it looks like it has a little bit more coverage than the L'Oreal one. That's all I can say. So I have applied a full face of makeup on and I'm here. And another difference I have observed with these foundations is that if you apply more than a layer of foundation, these foundations tends to get cakey, and that's that with the case of any full coverage foundation. It is 4 p.m. around in the evening and I'll be doing a weight test for about 6 to 8 hours and seeing how it performs on my skin. Since I have a combination skin type, my T-zone gets oily after 4 to 5 hours and that is common with any of the foundations. If you're a person who likes super matte foundation and have no problem with it, who likes full coverage foundation, then you must get your hands on this foundation as it is very affordable and a great drugstore foundation. And most of them says this is a dupe of Huda Beauty foundation, and I haven't tried personally the Huda Beauty one, but this is quite great. When you can afford the same dupe of the luxury brands, why do you want to spend so much of your money on the high-end ones, right? So if you're a person who doesn't like full coverage and super matte foundations, then you should be skipping this foundation, and you should be getting your hands on the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte foundation, which is a demi matte finish, and it is a medium to full coverage foundation, and it is quite comfortable and lightweight, sits well on your face and stays for long. If you are using a good primer underneath your foundation and a good setting spray, of course. And the consistency wise, the Superstay Matte Foundation has quite thick consistency and it is not at all runny in formula. And the L'Oreal Paris one is runny in formula and is not quite thick like the Superstay one. And yeah, this is like a liquidy and moussey consistency and quite lightweight on the skin, which is again a great. So you choose what coverage and finish you want in your foundation and you can choose it as you like. So I'm in the shade Natural Beach in both of these foundations, that is 220 Natural Beach in the Maybelline Superstay one and 105 Natural Beach in the L'Oreal Paris Pro Matte Foundation. Now the time is 8:12 and this is what the foundation looks like after about 3 hours. It's been 3 hours and it is not very oily over my T-zone, which is great. I haven't used any sort of setting spray. I just used the primer and did my full face of makeup, and this is how it looks like. I haven't touched my face at all, not even with the tissue, and you can see my oil weeping through over my T-zone, which is common thing for me. And like here is some fine line, and this happens with any of the foundation I use. Like, so the Maybelline Superstay foundation kinda enhanced my smile lines, which is over here, and over on the L'Oreal Paris side, like I can't find any of the smile lines enhanced. For about 8 hours it stayed almost fresh without even applying a setting spray, and this is how the finish and foundation looks like. My lipstick is almost gone, like there's barely a tint of my lipstick, and yeah, and that's that. Now I'll be removing off the makeup and I will just sleep. Personally, I use both of these foundations and both of them are my favorite. If I want a good, super matte finish and full coverage, I'll be using the Maybelline one. And if I want my makeup to be demi matte and medium coverage, I'll be choosing the L'Oreal Paris one. So according to me, both of these foundations are the best drugstore foundations and are must-haves. I hope you find this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, then don't forget to like this video and do let me know your thoughts below on these foundations. Which one is your favorite and why? I'll be checking them out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Until later, bye.